UMLA kamaulai ba bright starwell marbanyang ulaong ba ka Jingiaid ki kali he lang ba ka Surok ba Jingkieng yam Umrynjah kabu Jingma ya ka Jingkieng badan ha ka than hadin balakhang Khubor banyat na ka Jingkieng dam ka badang maramot mentah. Haba juba bhalor kani usembut menteri rang ba ka jilla ba snya bhalang dhar uang ba ka de ka jingshisha ba ki sunjuk kidor bar Shillong kin ujor sha deputy commissioner halor kani ba nakalyang ka tanat kala shimkhia halor kani
Umrynjah let ujor ka dorbar Shillong sha ka DC. During the past few months, as we have witnessed, repair and renovation of the main Umrynjah bridge is being carried out, and this led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umrynjah passing through Maran Makhar, Umrynjah, Mauset Khnam, Nongkolo till Mautawar. And this has caused annoyance to the people living in these villages. And it is understood also that the built-up girder or the Bok bridge can withstand the load of up to 9 tons, as usually seen in the signboards which are displayed in almost all semi-permanent bridges. The Bok bridge at Umrynjah is very old bridge and which has probably been designed for the above load of 9 tons only. Hence, plying of heavy vehicles traffics on the bridge may affect the overall structure, and unfortunately, it may also collapse. Secondly, the road from Umden to Mauset Khnam, Nongkolo up to Mautawar is still a single lane road, having pavement width of maximum 3.75 meter. Moreover, metallic and black topping of the road has been done as per state road design, that is conventional, which cannot cater to the heavy loaded vehicles. By saying this, it means that the road has been constructed taking into consideration that it will be able to withstand only for light to medium traffic. Apart from that, if we take into consideration the topography of the area where the road passes is mountainous in the stretches from Jalinshir up to Lom Mausing. Hence, heavy loaded vehicles will find it very difficult to counter the gradients while climbing up. This, added with the narrow nature of the road all along, poses great danger to the road users, for which fatal accident may occur. As of now, there has been reports that accidents are occurring frequently on the road due to increased number of vehicles. And therefore, I will request the minister in charge to kindly look into the matter, whereby we understand that because of the repair work that is being carried out in the main Umrynjah bridge, automatically it has led to the increase in vehicular movement from Umrynjah up to Mautawar. But I will also request the minister to see to it that these heavy vehicular should not pass through these villages. Otherwise, it will create a problem, it will create annoyance, and it might even lead to fatal accidents. Thank you.
May I request Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to make a reply, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to Sri Bright Starwell Marbanyang's Honorable MLA from Maulai Assembly Constituency for raising these important issues relating to the plying of our loading trucks through the Umrynjah Bridge. Yes, this issue was brought to the notice of Deputy Commissioner on the 12th of February 2024 by the Sinjuk Kisan Dorbar Shillong, in which they informed that in the Dorbar held on the 1st February of 2024, the Sinjuk Kisan Dorbar Shillong took a decision to inform the government authority that there are overloaded trucks plying through this Umrynjah Bridge at night. And they stated in the letter that the overloading trucks, Umrynjah Bridge at night, may cause the damage to the bridge, which is the only connecting point in the village, and which is a fact, Mr. Speaker, sir. And on receipt of the letter from Deputy Commissioner has, on the same day, wrote to the Chief Engineer Road, directed him to assess the permissible load admissibles to allow vehicle to ply over the Umrynjah Bridge. Till date, the assessment report from the Chief Engineer building is still awaited, and it is bring to the concerns of the Honorable MLA that as soon as the Chief Engineer Road complete the assessment on the permissible load allowed for vehicle to ply on that particular bridge, the Deputy Commissioner will pass necessary order to restrict the load of the vehicle and disallow all the overload to ply on that road. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I assure that follow-up actions on the complaint will be taken up at the earliest, and I once again thank the Honourable Member Sri Bryce Marbaning MLA from Meghalaya Assembly constituencies for raising these issues relating to the plying over of overloading trucks through the Umrynjah, and also all the important point sessions mentioned by the Honourable Member is point noted by me. I think with these few clarifications, I resume my seat, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Bryce Marbaning, you may seek one clarification if you need.
I would like to thank the Minister in charge for having clarified with regards to the grievances as being put forth before the Minister in charge, and hopefully it will be taken care of by the department concerned. Thank you, sir.